Why is crypto down today? November 7th, 2025. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume stands at $180.4 billion, showing active participation despite broader weakness. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated 5 hours ago. The cryptocurrency market is trading slightly lower today, with global market capitalization down 0.7% to $3.49 trillion, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume stands at $180.4 billion, showing active participation despite broader weakness. TLDR. Global crypto market cap slipped 0.7% to $3.49 T, with 24H volume at $180.4 billion. BTC fell 0.2%, $101,553. ETH dropped 0.1%, $3,336. Asian equities mirrored Wall Street losses after AI stock sell-offs and weak U.S. job data. Institutional demand for BTC slowed as treasuries and ETFs showed cooling inflows. Fear and greed index fell to 21, fear, from 24 yesterday and 62 a month ago. BTC ETFs rebounded with $240 million inflows. ETH ETFs added $12.5 million. Traders remain cautious amid the U.S. government shutdown, Fed rate cut speculation. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, most leading cryptocurrencies are down over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, is trading at $101,553, down 0.2%, with a $2.02 trillion market capitalization. Ethereum, ETH, fell 0.1% to $3,336, while BNB, edged up 0.4% to $964.83. XRP climbed 4.5% to $2.22, standing out as one of the few top gainers. Solana, SOL, slipped 1.2% to $157.21, while Cardano, ADA, rose 1.8% to $0.5455. Doge, gained 1.6%, now trading at $0.1663. Despite the overall decline, a few altcoins posted notable gains. Agent AI, DAI, surged 618.7%. Internet Computer, ICP, rose 4.4%, and Zcash, ZEC, gained 19.5% in the past 24 hours. Top gainers also include Suiting, plus 248.4%, and Dusk, plus 59.5%, signaling renewed speculative activity across smaller cap tokens. Trending coins on CoinMarketCap are Agent AI, Internet Computer, and Zcash, reflecting rising investor interest in AI-linked and privacy-focused projects amid a cautious trading environment. Crypto and Asian markets fall as investors turn risk-averse amid weak data and ETF outflows. Asian markets opened lower on Friday, extending a global risk-off sentiment that weighed on both equities and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and other digital assets slipped further after data showed weakening demand and reduced treasury inflows from large holders. The total crypto market cap fell around 2% to $3.47 trillion, with Bitcoin down 1.5% to $101,545 and Ether down 2.5% to $3,320. Regional equity benchmarks mirrored the downturn, with Japan's Nikkei 225 dropping 1.75% and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index falling 0.74%. The declines followed Wall Street's overnight sell-off led by tech and AI-linked stocks. The Nasdaq fell 1.9%, driven by profit-taking after months of AI-fueled gains. Fresh labor data showing 153,074 job cuts in October, nearly triple last year's total, added to concerns about an economic slowdown. Analysts said the losses highlight investors' cautious positioning as the earnings season ends and the U.S. government shutdown continues to cloud visibility on official economic indicators. Meanwhile, institutional appetite for Bitcoin is showing signs of cooling. Kraken economist Thomas Profumo said demand from major treasuries like MicroStrategy has slowed, while crypto ETFs have seen notable outflows. Despite weaker sentiment, analysts maintain that markets remain orderly, with traders watching for potential Federal Reserve support if funding stress increases. Treasury yields stayed firm, while the dollar slipped 0.4%, and the euro rose to $1.1547, signaling growing expectations for another Fed rate cut later this year. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at $101,440, up 0.15% on the day. The coin remains under pressure after repeated failed attempts to reclaim the $103,000 zone. Its intraday range sits between $100,800 and $102,300, reflecting cautious sentiment and low trading volume following this week's market-wide decline. A strong daily close above $103,000 could open the path toward $105,000 to $107,000, where previous resistance levels remain intact. On the downside, losing $100,000 support risks deeper retracements toward $98,500 and $96,800, key zones where buyers previously stepped in. Meanwhile, Ethereum, ETH, trades at $3,337, gaining 0.72% over the past 24 hours. Despite the small rebound, ETH continues to hover near monthly lows after a steep correction earlier this week. A recovery above $3,400 could pave the way toward $3,600 to $3,750, while failure to hold above $3,300 may expose the token to a further drop toward $3,150 or even $3,000. Traders are watching macroeconomic cues, including the ongoing U.S. government shutdown and Fed rate expectations, as potential catalysts that could shape short-term momentum in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Meanwhile, market sentiment continues to deteriorate, with the CMC Crypto Fear and Greed Index dropping to 21, signaling fear. The index stood at 24 yesterday, 31 last week, and 62 a month ago, marking a sharp shift from a previously greedy environment to deep caution. The U.S. Bitcoin spot ETF saw a strong rebound on November 6th, recording $240.03 million in total net inflows, according to data from SoSoValue. Cumulative inflows across all Bitcoin ETFs now stand at $60.52 billion, with total net assets reaching $135.43 billion, representing 6.73% of Bitcoin's total market capitalization. The total trading volume for the day came in at $4.77 billion, reflecting steady institutional participation despite recent market volatility. Among individual funds, BlackRock's IBIT led the day's inflows with $112.44 million, followed by Fidelity's FBTC with $61.64 million and ARK and 21 shares ARKB adding $60.44 million. Bitwise BITB also posted $5.5 million in net inflows, while Grayscale's GBTC remained flat for the day. Likewise, spot Ethereum ETFs saw moderate inflows on November 6th. Among individual funds, BlackRock's ETHA led the inflows with $8.01 million, followed by Fidelity's FETH with $4.95 million and Bitwise ETHW adding $3.08 million. Cumulative net inflows now stand at $13.91 billion, with total net assets reaching $21.75 billion, representing 5.45% of Ethereum's total market capitalization. The day's total trading volume came in at $1.62 billion, reflecting steady participation across major issuers. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Bitcoin price prediction. First major BTC treasury just sold big. Is the bull market officially finished? XRP price prediction. Ripple just opened spot trading in the US. Is institutional demand about to explode? XRP price prediction. XRP ranked number 2 by analysts, just behind Bitcoin, ahead of Solana and Doge. Price analysis. Dogecoin price prediction. Elon Musk set to launch Doge to the literal moon. Could this be the $1 catalyst? 1 day ago, by Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Whale activity surges. Is ADA targeting $10? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Aster by the end of 2025. 3 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 17 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 2 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 3 days ago, by Ben Beto.